everybody, it's Dory. Today is May 10th. It's the day before Mother's Day. I got up really early this morning and dropped my husband off, so it's just gonna be me and the kid for a little while. It was so cute because my husband yesterday, there was a little flower arrangement event close by. So he took my son to this flower arrangement event thing, and they came back and with the cutest little bouquet of flowers. He told me he was taking him to the event or whatever, but I wasn't expecting the event to have so many big, beautiful flowers, and they smelled so good. Like, it was the most scented bouquet I've ever had. It smells beautiful. So I just put that in a vase. And yeah, tomorrow's Mother's Day. It'll just be me and the kid. My husband will still be gone. But yeah, it's gonna be fine. That's what I tell myself. Now that I'm out and about a little bit more, I finally changed my bag over. I'm gonna be talking about a lot of things in this video. I am in the Coach Borough Bowling Bag. This is a bag I got on a really good sale. Julia Agent Bag Reviews actually, she left a comment saying that this bag was actually retailing at $450. I never knew that. Maybe that's why no one was talking about this bag when it dropped. Everybody loves it. This is my most complimented bag. Like, when I'm out and about, this is the bag that gets the most stares. And it's not like, oh, she's wearing a luxury bag. It's nothing like that. You can't tell who made this bag from far away. I think it's just like a bag that you don't see, and the color is unique, and it's a nice shape, and it's small and dainty. I have a little twilly from the Sewing Report here on YouTube and Etsy on there, and I also have the snail. This pretty much lives on it. I got this on sale, but I got this on a really good deal. It's the first bag I bought when I moved to Texas. I bought it when I was still on the road. I think I was either at a hotel or we were still coming, like passing through West Texas to get to Central Texas. When I bought this, it dropped on Coach Reserve. I got it for $177, and it was probably even cheaper than that because I remember I did use Rakuten to get some money back also. So from $450 to $177 is a really good deal. I did post a short showing everything that I have in this bag, and it's nothing new. I have everything in there. I'll see if I can post that little short in here so you can see what I'm carrying. But I missed this bag. I remember when I got it, I wore it for 2 weeks and then I put it away and I never wore it again, mainly because the seasons was changing and I got the dark lime Brooklyn 28 not too long after that for my birthday. So I just didn't grab for this anymore. And ever since maybe December, I've been counting down for spring to come back so I can whip this out and wear it. So that's what I did. This is gonna be the bag that I'll wear for the next little while. I haven't been buying anything new. I've just been enjoying what I have, especially since I've gone so long without leaving the house. I feel like all of my bags have a new life to them because they've just been sitting for a while. So it's like now I can like through and have fun and pick up the things that I have. As you guys know, like in my last video, I was talking about like my student loan or whatever. So now that I'm monetized on YouTube, whatever check I get, I've just been throwing it as an extra payment on my loan. I've been doing that since I was monetized in January. My first check came in March. I didn't get one for April, and I'm gonna get one this month. So that's gonna be like yet another payment that I make. So that's kind of exciting, but I haven't been buying anything. There are a few things that I really have been looking at. It's gonna be a bunch of random things, but the one thing that's burning a hole in my brain, you know that pearl strap charm from Coach? I really want that. And yesterday, or maybe the day before, my husband was looking over my shoulder when I was on my phone. I was like in bed, and he was like, "What is that? What are you buying now?" And I was on the Coach website, and I was adding the pearl charm to my cart. And I was like, it's this pearl strap that I really want. I've been wanting it for a couple of months, but it's so expensive. I can't really bring myself to buy Coach charms that often. And he was watching me add it to cart. Then I was like, oh my God. I looked at my cart and I had a total of 3 of those charms sitting in my cart. He's like, okay, if you get it, make sure you don't get all of them. You know you have 3 sitting there, right? So So every single time I've been adding that thing to my cart, every time I visit Coach, I've been adding that same pearl strap with the C to my cart. And I've been doing that over and over. So he was like, yeah, I better not see 3 pearl straps coming out of the account. So that's number one. I feel like it goes with everything. I feel like I can wear it as a necklace as well. I can wear it as an accessory on my bag. And I actually saw somebody on TikTok put it as like half of her belt on her jeans, and that was really cute. That is something that I really want and I've been considering getting. There's been another couple of charms that have been on sale on Amazon. One is the small New York cluster, and that went on sale as low as $86 recently. It was down to 105 or something, and then they had a 30% coupon for like a very short period of time. And they took it down to 86. I didn't bite. I didn't get anything. And also just the plain New York apple charm is down to, I think, $76 right now. I think I saw this morning. But I haven't been able to pull the trigger on any of that. You know, the Sage Coach tabby, the chain tabby, that went on sale for $3.93. I posted that on my community tab, but when things go on sale, I feel like I want to get it, but at the same time, like when I'm not in the mood to buy a bag or have something new, I just let it pass me by. Especially since I found out that new system with my student loan. Now I'm just like, I just kind of want to get rid of it because it's been there for so long. The next thing is a pair of jeans. I don't know if you guys remember the slit jeans by Mason Margiela. I had those in my cart on Satire for like 2 years. Those jeans are like $600 and haven't been able to find them for lower than like $4.98 or so. And I found that on Satire, and I thought I also found it Neiman Marcus. So that has been on my wish list for a couple of years. But now Zara has some slip pants that are like $79.90. So now I'm like, I kind of want to, I need a pair of jeans like I need a hole in my head, all right? So that's what's holding me back. I love jeans. My entire bottom row of my closet are jeans, which reminds me I have to like go through. Those are a nice dupe for those slit jeans by Mason Margiela. Another thing that has been pulling at me, which is kind of strange for me because I wasn't really feeling it for myself. I like the bag, but not for me. But I think I'm having a change of heart. It's the Coach Western tabby. I liked that when it first came out, and it was called the cargo tabby, and then it went away. They dropped the cargo tabby, which was like completely different bags, a completely different bag with turn locks. I didn't really like that one, and then they cycled back around and brought out the Western tabby, which was the original cargo tabby. I like that one in the brown. You know, I love brown bags. So that's another one I've been thinking about. I haven't been able to go and touch it and see it in person, but yeah, that's one of the few bags right now that I've been looking at. Another one, Soft Tote by Marge Sherwood, I've been looking at. Also the Mini Tote Crossbody, I've been looking at that one in the yellow color. And also, I'm kind of interested in the Soft Boston. I feel like it might be a little too big for me, but I like just the plain square silhouette. I would love to have a Marge Sherwood bag to try. And they've been having some really good deals on W Concept and Essence. I still haven't bought. I've been doing so good with not buying. And I think it's because my motivations are elsewhere right now. So it's not really hard to not shop. My husband is away. I'm out more because I have the car. We're a 1-car family. So I tend to switch out my bags more often. So after this one, I do want to wear the Dinky. I haven't worn any of my Dinky. I have 2 of them. So yeah, I would like to try the Dinky bags to see how I like them. I want to get a good feel for every single one of my bags. I don't want to neglect them because if I don't try them, then I don't know if I want to sell them or give them away or anything like that. So that's what I'll be doing. Also, videos like this, like little chat, they might come out more regularly because this is like a huge hobby of mine, filming. So you might see some regular chit chat videos that are not about handbags, might be about my debt and me paying things off and things like that. Who knows? I just kind of want to film as much as possible and kind of document some of this time my little baby, my son is getting older. He's so tall now. So I kind of want to look back on some things and remember it a little bit more. But yeah, I have back in love with this one. I don't think the love has ever left, to be honest. But I am back in here, squishy, soft leather. I can't wait to continue wearing this. Maybe I'll wear this for the week. It's a very easy mom bag also, because it is a very comfortable crossbody. I can't fit a whole lot in here, but when I'm with him and he's heavy, this is super easy to carry, unlike the Dooney and Burke satchel. But yeah, that is all I have for this video. If you guys are interested, I'll try to link everything that I talked about that's trying to get my money. I'll link that down below. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.